And let's go back to a big story. NDA passes quota test. That's the story. Also, our hashtag Kajal Iyer and Vaishnavi will be joining me in just a bit. But just to recap this piece of information, breaking first on Times Now for our viewers. The Bombay High Court just a while ago has virtually endorsed the decision taken by the Devendra Fadnavis government. The visuals on your screen are the protest that had forced the Fadnavis government to announce a 16% reservation for Marathas in jobs and in education. Now, the Bombay High Court today said while there is no justification for 16% quota, the government is well within its right to have a quota for Marathas. And the court has said we will fix the percentage between 12 to 13%. Kajal now is live on the broadcast. Yes, Kajal.
Well, in this particular case, there were summaries that had been read out by the judge when he came. He said that the judgment will be uploaded by 5 o'clock today, and there were around 6 to 7 points in the summary. He started with saying that the government does have the legislative right to give reservation. That was the first point of the summary. The second point, of course, was that the panel had studied contemporaneous and updated data about Marathas and their social and economic background. It also upheld that the findings of the panel were correct and that Marathas can be deemed to be socially and economically backward, which was the biggest recommendation of that particular panel, and also the point at which the petitioners decided to challenge this particular reservation. So that entire thing has been upheld. The reasoning for the entire reservation has been upheld by the Bombay High Court. The only place where they disagreed with the government was that they felt that 16% was too much and that the reservation should be capped